the Google Analytics Date Picker. So we wanted to do a quick lesson on the Date Picker and how it works and how to use it because it's such an important tool in Google Analytics. So what is the Date Picker? The Date Picker is simply this box up here in the top right which determines the date range we're looking at. So as you know, in Google Analytics, the reports and the data that we get is all based on date range. So in our particular report we're looking at now, which is the behavior report, we note that there were 6,805 page views for the date range of June 5th to July 4th. But we could quickly change that by clicking on the dates. Maybe we want to look at June 1st to June 15th. And to do that, we would simply click on June 1st and then June 15th. Off to the right, you can see that the date range has changed as well. So we've got June 1st to June 15th. And if we wanted to change one of these dates, we just click into the box. So maybe we don't want to look at data till the 15th, but maybe we want to look at data till the 17th. So we'd click there. And now we're looking at June 1st to the 17th. So as soon as I hit apply, you're going to note that the data below changes. So between June 1st and June 17th, we can see about 4,266 page views. So it's pretty simple how to change dates. A few things to note is as we jump to different reports, the date ranges stay the same. So this is sticky until you change it again. Another thing to note is the comparison tool. So let's say we want to compare two different date ranges. Really easy to do simply by choosing the date selector and clicking this little checkbox here, and this will allow us to compare two. And by default, Google Analytics is going to try to compare the date range we had to the previous period, meaning the same number of days just prior. So since we originally chose June 1st to June 17th, Google Analytics is going to compare it to May 15th to May 31st. If, however, we want to change that, we can simply go to Custom and choose the date range for which we want to compare our data. Once we click Apply, we're going to note that the data down below in the reports changes. So originally, we would have just looked at this particular page, our home page, and stats related to June 1st to June 17th. But since we're comparing dates, it's going to pull the other date range in under there as well. And then we get some direct comparison. So we can see that our first date range compared to our second date range, the number of page views for the home page decreased about 12%. And that's really the point of the comparison tool, is to take two different date ranges and see how things changed. So for example, you may make a large change to a campaign and want to compare the before and after on it. You may launch a new website and want to do the comparison before and after on it. Or you may simply be doing client reporting and want to compare this year to last year. So these are some of the uses of the Date Picker, and it's available on every Google Analytics report.